Brownfield redevelopment is a process that gives makeovers to old, abandoned properties once used for factories or businesses and creates new, vibrant spaces and buildings. Because these properties, called brownfields, often have a history of contamination, it can be tricky to repurpose them. But fixing them up can help improve the environment and allows these sites to be redeveloped as new businesses, parks, or other uses, making the area better for everyone. Let's take a look at how this works and why it matters. First, experts check for contamination, and if they find any, they assess how it has affected the site. They test the soil and water to find out which types of chemicals have contaminated the area. Then, they create a strategy to clean it up or make it acceptable for use, even if they can't get rid of all the contaminants. There are a lot of environmental rules these projects have to follow. Builders need permits from the government, and once work has been done, they need approval before any additional improvement can take place. It's important to communicate with those who live nearby. Planners and builders talk to people who live, work, and play near the project to find out what they want and need, and give them an opportunity to speak up and express concerns. This teamwork helps make the project better for everyone in the community. Architects and city planners team up to make a plan for what the brownfield could become. A lot of thought is put into how to use the land and add eco-friendly considerations. The goal is not just to clean up, but also to make the area useful and vibrant. These projects often focus on being good for the environment. That means using eco-friendly materials, finding new ways to use old buildings, and creating parks or gardens. This helps make the area a healthier and nicer place to live. Because it can take a lot of money to redevelop a brownfield, funding is very important. Builders are often able to get funding from the government or private investors to make the project happen. Engineers help make sure everything is done according to plan. Their first work is to reduce, remove, or manage the contamination. Then, they start building new things like homes or stores. Even after the project is finished, it's important to keep checking that areas that were once a concern are still clean. This is done through regular monitoring and maintenance checks. Redeveloping brownfields can help us address forgotten, abandoned, or neglected places by cleaning up contamination and making new places to live, work, and play. This not only makes our communities better, but also points us to a healthier, greener future.